Good morning everyone. My name is Mansi Sanjay Kumar Suryanshi and my today's topic is clinical data management. It is a consistently being recognized as a primary part of the clinical development team, and in a same instance lead this team. Then importance of the CDM is a vital vehicle in a clinical trial to ensure the integrity and the quality of the data being transferred from the trial subject to a database system, and to provide the consistent, accurate and the valid clinical data, and to support the accuracy of the final conclusion and the report. Then clinical data management refers to the management of data capture and the data flow process in conduct of the clinical research, and it begins with the design of the data capture and the data collection, continuing with the data of QC procedure to the assure the quality of the all aspect of the processes, and ends with the database finalization. Then objective of the CDM to ensure that the collected data is complete and accurate, and so that results are correct, and that trial database is complete, accurate and a true representation of what took place in a trial. That trial database is sufficiently clean to support statistical analysis and its subsequent presentation and the interpretation. CDM process. CRF development and tracking. CRF completion guideline is printed as the part of the CDM, and training sessions are conducted for the investigator and the SC during the study initiation meeting and receipt and the tracking of the CRF. The tracking process emphasizes verification of the arrival date and its acknowledgement and its process through the processes. Then the login, scan, image review, data entry and the verification is the process. Then CRF scanning, it divided into three types: remote, electronic and the paper scanning. Then CRF are scan soon after the receipt in the CRF tracking system archive electronically as the backup into the image database by designing CDC. Then benefits of the CRF scanning is effortless access to the CRF images. It provides a single source for the most up to date copy of the CRF. Then EDC process, it developed eCRFs along with the monitoring statistician, regulatory affairs and the medical terms, and it ensures the collection of the safety data and user-friendly screens. And the flexibility of the data entry, validation procedure, query management tools, audit trials, data transfer and integration of the laboratory and other non-CFR data. Then data storage, in that backup copies to be taken frequency, paper document should be scanned and electronically archive, database design specification, raw data, audit trial, original study documents, procedural verification documentation, database closure, side copies of the data and the final data. In that SAS transfer and CD. Then external data, vendor specific training, vendor audit, data clarification process, utilize standards such as CDs, file format, data transmission, database updates and the data storage and the archiving. The coding, in that auto encoder dictionary process for the changes in dictionary on the or version, some version to be used for the combined study training, process for the submitting changes to dictionaries. Then data dictionaries, in that MEDRA, WHOAT, drugs, ICD and the FDA cost art. Then data cleaning, in that the purpose, characteristic and complexity of the structure. Then documentation of the procedure, guidelines, working practicals and the references, and testing the procedures, CRF completion, data entry instruction, timelines for the data entry, running data checks and the replicating data and the quality control plans. Next is image review. CRF image, also known as a working copy CRF, is a review for the accuracy, completeness and the consistency of the data. Any queries or the discrepancy identified during the image review are annotated. Then problems with the legibility and the incorrect completed fields and missing data and the significantly invalid or the obviously consistent data. Then data review, clinical data review by the designated medical reviewer ensure the complex medical data are review and the assess to collect or the detect any clinical resources in the data. Then data query. A query is raised when a discrepancy or the inconsistency is noted or annotated during image review and the during the computers to check. Thank you everyone.